Ahoy, mateys!
My character in Mickey Mouse Funhouse is Wheezelene.
Now we've got directions to that treasure chest full of loot.
Wheezelene is the leader of the weasels.
The pirate weasels!
Sneasel, Cheezel, and Wheezelene. They're like the Three Stooges. They're always getting into trouble.
Aye, aye, Captain Boss!
But Wheezelene keeps everybody in check.
This is a splash.
I love Wheezelene, because in the end, she has a good heart.
I know how I'd feel if someone took my pirate floaty.
All of these animations entertain the children,
Stretch break.
educate them, and make them feel good.
Stretch break. Get up to the Funhouse, me.
Mickey Mouse. Who doesn't love Mickey Mouse? Hey, somebody pass me my ears. I still have them.